Foundations of architecture. Architecture. 1. The art or profession of designing and constructing buildings. 2. The style in which a building is designed and built. Attempting to provide a fundamental definition of architecture necessitates a degree of simplification. Architecture is a language we all understand because we live in buildings that surround us and shape our physical world. Architectural production is a process of building production that encompasses thought, design, and drawing stages. This process begins with the creation of a specific idea or concept oriented toward a particular space or context. This concept then begins to take on a form, incorporating associated functions and activities. Subsequently, this form is shaped structurally and in terms of materials. Ultimately, it is applied in 3 dimensions, incorporating elements such as light, sound, and spatial experiences. Like many design disciplines, architecture begins with concepts and ideas that require creative thought. These concepts can be generated through influences from other architectural forms, past or present, or other architects, as well as through metaphors or analogies. An example of an analogy is the armadillo-like shape of the Scotland Exhibition and Conference Centre in Glasgow. Architecture in its simplest form can be defined as the design and organization of spaces. In its most complex form, it encompasses the design of buildings, streets, and cities. The thought processes required for designing a chair or a room on one end of this broad spectrum are different from those needed for urban design on the other. Sometimes design is executed through 2-dimensional drawings at specific scales, while at other times, alternative methods such as freehand sketches are employed. The utilization of diverse thinking methods and expressive techniques at various stages of a project is essential for the development of architectural design concepts. This building is situated in a striking location along the banks of the River Clyde in Glasgow. The center's curved aluminum canopy resembles the robust and sturdy shell of an armadillo, imparting a strong visual impact to the building. Architectural design encompasses a wide spectrum of scales and complexities. On one end, it involves the thought processes and methods required for designing objects such as chairs or rooms, while on the other, it addresses the design of buildings and urban environments. At times, design is executed through 2-dimensional drawings at specific scales, while at other times, different methods such as freehand sketches are employed. The utilization of diverse thinking methods and expressive techniques at various stages of a project is essential for the development of architectural design concepts.